Good morning, pre-algebra. I'm going to run down pre-V1 2.7 the solutions. And what we're going to do is we're going to start out by drawing a triangle. This one is at 0, 2, so over 0 up 2. Second location is 3, 2, so that's over 3 up 2. And then we have 3, 0, so over 3 up 0. So this is a right triangle. And then we have to multiply each of the coordinates by 3. So this has a scale factor of 3. So here I'm just going to write this out. The first location was 0, 2. We multiply each piece by 3. We're going to have 0, 6. The next one was 3, 2. Multiplying each one by a scale factor of 3 would be 9, 6. And then 3, 0. Multiplying each one by 3 would be 9, 0. So the new locations are going to be over 0 up 6, over 9 up 6, and over 9 up 0. So you can see we still have a right triangle. The only thing that has changed is the size of it. How are the two triangles related? They are similar. Same shape, different size. Exercise 5. Draw the triangle with the given vertices. So I'm going to start there. -1, +1. So that's over to the left and then up 1. Over to the left 1, down 2. And over to the right 2, down 2. So once again, a right triangle. This one is an isosceles right triangle because it has two sides that are the same length. And now we're going to use a scale factor of 3. So -1, 1 is going to become -3, 3. -1, -2 is going to become -3, -6. And the last location, 2, -2, is going to become 6, -6. Alright, let me plot those new points. I've got -3, +3. I've got -3, -6. And I have +6, -6. So from the blue to the red, we have an enlargement. How are the two triangles related? They're similar. Alright, let me start by graphing this. I'm going to go -3, +2. I'm going to go +1, +2. And I'm going to go 1, -4. Once again, a right triangle. And we're going to do the same thing. Scale factor of 3, -3, 2 would be -9, 6. 1, 2 is going to give me 3, 6. And the last one, 1, -4, is going to give me 3, -12. Change colors here. And we'll graph this. -9, so over to the left 9, up 6. 3, 6, over to the right 6, 3, up 6. And then 3, -12. So the new shape looks something like that. The triangles are similar. Tell whether the blue figure is a dilation of the red figure. The blue figure is, this should be is a dilation of the red figure. The blue figure is a dilation of the red figure. And this is from the red figure to the blue figure. This actually went up, right? So this is an enlargement. Number 8, tell whether the blue figure is a dilation of the red figure. This is a dilation of the red figure. In this case, it went from the red figure to the blue figure, so this is a reduction, but it is a dilation. Alright, so I'm going to plot these points really quick. I've got 1, 1, I've got 1, 4, and I've got 3, 1. They sure do like these right triangles. Now we're going to put it through the rule. So 1, 1, and this is a scale factor of 4, is going to become 4, 4. And 1, 4 is going to change into 4, 16. And 3, 1 is going to change into 12, 4. And now let's plot those new points. So I got 4, 4. I've got 4, 16. And I have 12, 4. And so from the blue to the red, this would be an enlargement. And it's an enlargement of 4. So if this is 2, 2 times 4 would make that 8. Alright, once again I'm going to plot this. I've got 0, 2. I've got 6, 2. And I've got 6, 4. Another right triangle. Looks like that. Okay. This time we're going to multiply by a scale factor of 1/2, which means we're going to take half of everything. So our first location, this is D. This would be D prime, is going to be half of 0, which is still 0, half of 2, which is 1. E, which is 6, 2, would change into E prime, which is half of 6 is 3, half of 2 is 1. And then we have F, which is at 6, 4. And that would change into F prime. Half of 6 is 3, half of 4 is 2. Alright, let's plot those. We've got 0, 1. We've got 3, 1. And we've got 3, 2. So you can see this dilation is a reduction. It went from the big red to the small blue. This is definitely a reduction. 2, 3 is there. 5, 3 is there. 5, 1 is here. A right triangle again. This time we've got a scale factor of 3. So M, which is 2, 3, is going to change into M prime, which will be 2 times 3, which is 6, and 3 times 3, which is 9. N, which was 5, 3, is going to change into N prime. 5 times 3 is 15. 3 times 3 is 9. And the last one, P, which is at 5, 1, is going to change into P prime, which is going to be 5 times 3, which is 15, and 1 times 3, which is 3. Let me change colors. 6, 9 over 6, and up 9, right there. 15, 9, and then 15, 3. Okay, this one is an enlargement by a scale factor of 3. I'm going to plot these points. I got negative 2, negative 2. I've got negative 2, 3. And I have positive 5, 3. And the last one we have is positive 5, negative 2. So not a right triangle this time. What it looks to be is a rectangle. So we've got V, which is negative 2, negative 2, is going to change into V prime. And we're going to multiply both of them by 5. So that's going to be negative 10, negative 10. W, which is negative 2, 3, is going to change into w prime, which is going to be negative 10, positive 15, x, which is 5, 3, is going to change into x prime, which is going to be 25, 15, and finally y, which is 5, negative 2, is going to change into y prime, which is going to be 25, negative 10. Alright, let's graph these. Negative 10, negative 10. It's about there. Negative 10, positive 15. Right there. 25, 15. There's 25, 15, and 25, 25, negative 10. I might have to fix this spot up here. 25, 15 should be there. All right. Let me just complete this rectangle. Alright, so there's our rectangle, and they want to know what type this is. Well, this is obviously an enlargement. Alright guys, that's it for the homework. Good job on V1 2.7. Remember, if you have any questions at all, please join the Google Help Meet, and we'll talk to you guys soon.